Janine Gutierrez is absolutely gorgeous. Hindi nga napigilan ng mga fans ni Janine Gutierrez ang humanga sa talaga namang ganda ng aktres. Looking fresh na fresh nga si Janine Gutierrez as she hosts the Eddies Awards tonight, July 7, 2024. Hindi nga lamang taglay na ganda ang meron nga po si Janine Gutierrez, kundi talaga namang napakahusay rin ng aktres pagdating sa hosting.
Magandang gabi po. Let's give another round of applause for Mr. Jeff Madela. Good evening, everyone. Ako po si Janine Gutierrez, and it's such a pleasure to be hosting tonight's very prestigious event where we celebrate the visionaries, the storytellers, the dreamers, and the doers, all the extraordinary people who bring stories to life on the big screen.
Magandang gabi, Eddies. Ako po si Jake Ercito, and I am happy and excited to share the stage with these two very lovely and gorgeous co-hosts of mine here at the spectacular Marriott Grand Ballroom of the Newport World Resorts. And most importantly, I'm honored to be part of this event that celebrates the icons and the movers in the industry.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako naman po si Gabby Garcia, and I'll be
Anyways, hindi namang napigilan ng kaniyang mama Lotlot ang humanga at proud na proud sa anak. You deserve the world. Absolutely stunning. Yan nga po ang naging caption ni Mami Lotlot nang magbahagi siya ng ilang mga larawan ni Janine Gutierrez.